Dahon's Curl series of folding bikes brings riders big features in the smallest package. Compared with competitors in the same category and size, the folding volume is the smallest and the unfolding speed is super fast. Cargoe D9 is the 9-speed derailleur high-performance edition in the series. Boasts more than 10 patented Dahon technologies. Highly competitive pricing is more accessible than other brands. Equally awesome for commutes or leisure, folds up conveniently and compactly. Curved frame lines stand out in the crowd, elegant and smooth. Frame and front fork are made of aviation aluminum. Special single-arm front fork. No more worries about folding interference or the large folding volume you get with some standard front fork and derailleur models. Folding volume is smaller and more compact. The single-arm front fork is paired with a streamlined frame with clean and tidy routing. Self-locking folding connector is easy and convenient. The front fork is firmly secured after folding, convenient and worry-free to carry or push. Brakes. Dahon's latest safety disc brakes, improving and optimizing on existing disc brake designs. Disc brake pads sit as close as possible to the wheel. Inset space saving of 15 millimeters, effectively protecting the assembly. Less chance of impact from knocks and falls. Reduced risk of brake rubbing. A perfect solution to the safety hazards of ordinary disc brakes. Transmission. Dahon Custom 9-speed derailleur. Lighter weight and higher shifting efficiency compared to standard derailleurs. Gear changes are precise, crisp and clean. Accurate and continuous shifting at your fingertips. Equipped with more speeds and a wider gear ratio range. Quickly adapt to uphill, downhill, and sharp turns. Respond better to the needs of various road conditions. Wheels. Dahon Custom Wheel Set. Rim withstands high air pressure with a smooth and comfortable ride under quick braking. Folded size. Length 57.5 centimeters. Width 28 centimeters. Height 58 centimeters. Weight 12 kilograms. Max load including rider 100 kilograms. Dahon is a brand with more than 40 years pedigree. Guinness World Record title for world's largest manufacturer of folding bikes. More than 500 multinational patents. Most folding bikes worldwide owe their heritage to Dahon's DNA. Collaborations welcome. Accept no imitations. Born from Dahon's awesome folding technology with consistently excellent quality. Other products cannot compare. Choose Dahon.